Snake. Now they get him in.
Absolutely.
That's a big boy. I would take him.
What's his name? Croc? Big Al?
Alright. You gotta get this one. How far?
Big man.
Wow, my friend has like a little tiny ball python at home, and this is just so much
Parrots. Hello, cracker. Hello, cracker. Good name. Hello. Hello. Johnny, you get it done. You get it delivered. Get it delivered. Get it done. 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 Get it delivered. Get it done.
He's very loud. Wow, I didn't know you wanted to take a bird. How old is this? This guy's probably about 3 years old.
How big does it get?
No, if it's a male, if it's a male, it gets 10 to 12 foot. If he's a female, it gets 7 to 8.
Alligator or croc?
How many years
Alligator.
does it take to get that long?
The first 6 to 7 years, they grow about 6 inches. Donation! Woo! They grow about 6 inches to a foot every year until about 7 years old. And then after that, they grow about a centimeter to an inch the rest of their lives. So they slow down about 7 years.
Do you keep them like until they're, the whole...
I keep them until they're about 4.5, 5 foot, and then they go to a breeding farm.
Gotta always get it done. Always get it delivered.
Is the mouth always taped? Or you let it...
As soon as we're done here, we untape them. Yeah. And the tape is on backwards, so the sticky is not sticky on their skin.
Right.
And if they didn't tape their teeth or wrap it on their teeth, I could pull it right off. But the kids wrap it so it's like on their teeth. I'm like, no, I can't pull it off, you guys. But it comes right off. Let's see. How much for the picture with them? Just ask for a donation. Okay. Is that what you want to do? Kylie? You got me all sandy, you big boy. Oh wait, I can't use my camera. But and you guys have cash app and stuff. Hey. Oh, I don't know. We'll have to ask. If you're trying to hold the parrot, I can't guarantee. The parrots are like toddlers. They have attitudes when they feel like it's up to them. Take the right hand over her arm.
This evening, this afternoon, we have on the beach.
If she does whip, just hold on to her, okay?
For all the friends and family,